This is a video on my .32 caliber black powder pistol made from 95% scrap material. It's got high quality copper barrel. That was a rod I drilled out to 32. You see there I have a primer installed in it right now. The ball came out of a lamp or something. I got two of those from a friend at work. The mechanisms and the trigger are made from stainless steel. It's 95% to 100% non-corrosive material here. This stock is from a 2x4 that had really nice grain in it. So I go, you know what? I'm going to make a pistol from that. So I made this pistol. The two nuts hold the barrel and the cocking mechanism to the pistol grip. This was bought at Dixie Guns. It's an online store. This is brass finger guard. Used to be a piece of brass 2.5-inch tubing, I believe. I just shaped it in the vise. This was an old bushing. This copper rod that I drilled a hole through where there's no rifling in here. I looked up the specs for slightly a little over the thickness that's required for the barrel, so this barrel should be able to handle any amount of powder you put in it, according to the specs. So, and if you look at it, it is quite thick. So I just kind of like leave the primer in there, just to keep the hole from getting something else in it. But yeah, it turned out pretty well. I'm really happy with it. I just thought I'd share that with my YouTube viewers. Here's the balls that I use. Here's the primers that I use. This unscrews here. This whole assembly comes off. This pommel is actually just glued on right now. When you get this piece, it doesn't come with the holes drilled in it. I'm thinking about putting a hole right through the center here and drill another hole commonly placed back here behind. But it's really glued on well, so I'm not really worried. The holster I made from shoe leather, recycled. It's got a belt loop. I had to put a piece in the middle here. This is mostly hemp string, and I used the original shoe stitch holes for the sole. I just went right in the same holes for the most part. This piece of leather in the center here, I had to actually use an awl to like run through there and then stitch it, which was kind of tedious. This tube holds everything you need to fire the gun, the wad, the ramrod, there's some powder in there, and the percussion caps. I just took and used a T, I think it was, and cut it off, a 1/2-inch T, and it's kind of oblong naturally, which was kind of a lucky break there, because when it goes on and you turn it just a little bit, it's stuck. I see I got another penny there, soldered in place. I'll show you how the gun fits in the holster that I made. Just like that, it's not going anywhere. Actually, it fits down there a little farther, but I'm one-handed right now. So the whole assembly fits just like that. Actually, when you're wearing this thing, this slides right out pretty much. It does tend to get stuck towards the bottom of the holster right there a little bit. But yeah, I will do another video with the barrel out of it show you how I soldered the brass retaining studs to the barrel. It's kind of interesting and fun to do. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you maybe picked up something from this for something you might build. Thank you.